Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the functions of the buttons in the radio station, and now I'm in the Honda 7 Accord. So the first button, scan repeat. By clicking on this button you briefly place a few seconds of each available radio station or track. If you want to stop the scanning, you just click on this button once. Again, the SEL RDN button, the automatic selection. This button might automatically select and store the strong radio station. The tune on the left, on the right side, by this button you can change the radio frequency manually. By the right side you can just raise it, by the left side you can lower the radio frequency. The button RFW, that means a fast rewind on a CD. The FF2, the fast forward on a CD. Press and hold the fast forward quickly. The play proc, that means the play starts or resume the playback of a CD. The proc allows you to program a specific order for the tracks to play on a CD. Number 4, the NR, this is a noise reduction. That disc minus, disc plus, you can just change the CD in your cars. The button TA-RDS means that TA is a traffic announcement that enables a radio to automatically interrupt the current program to broadcast traffic. And RDS, the radio data system, allows the radio to display information broadcast by radio station. On the right side we have also the AM FM. This is a button to switch between the AM and FM radio bands. The CD aux, you can turn on the CD or aux radio mode. And the SIG, in the radio mode, pressing this button will automatically search for the next strong radio station. The skip, in the CD mode, pressing this button will skip to the next track. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.